With AudioStream, you can stream phone calls straight to your SONNET Series audio processor. I'll show you how.
To use AudioStream for a phone call, make sure that AudioStream is attached to your audio processor. Check that your AudioStream is paired with your phone and that a Bluetooth connection is established. To start a phone call, proceed as you normally would on your mobile phone. The sound from your phone call will be automatically streamed to your audio processor. Speak into your phone's microphone once your conversation partner answers. To receive a phone call, simply accept the call on your phone.
And that's it. Speak into your phone's microphone and enjoy your conversation.